Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the forexpeacearmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit forexpeacearmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. So let's take a look again at the euro currency. On the daily time frame, you see that market have reached the area that we have specified yesterday, and simultaneously makes the situation a bit clearer for us. Because recall that yesterday we have discussed two possibilities. First of all, that could be ABCD pattern right to the upside. The 618 minor extension of this leg stands right the 50% resistance. That was also the daily we bought. And we said due to these facts that probably market will stop right here. It will be our nearest target. That has happened. And the second moment that we have discussed is potential possibility for this butterfly sell that could lead market to the deeper level. And 127 extension stands slightly higher. But as you can see, market has shown a bit different action as we have suggested initially. Since we thought that probably market will show retracement first, that could be the starting point of the right wing, and then acceleration to these areas around 132.50 area second. But market initially has accelerated right to the 132.50 area, and by this action it has erased the possibility for the butterfly. So now market, you see, shows the bounce down from this resistance area, and another moment that we have discussed as well was the possibility of the wash and rinse of these highs. So we said that probably market could taking out, grabbing the stops above this high and return right back. That will be potentially short-term bearish signal. And here it is. So in fact, if you will see on the intraday charts, you'll see that this is a nice example of the bearish engulfing. That's very typical for the shape of the wash and rinse. That has happened. Well, currently it's a bit sophisticated situation from the medium-term standpoint, because if you recall our weekly analysis, we said that 132.50 area is an area that we should be focused on, because that could be the top of the right shoulder of the head and shoulders pattern that is forming now on the weekly time frame, and market has hit it. Would this level lead to starting of the solid downward action? That's the major question. And for the short-term perspective, this question is also very significant, because since market has hit just the 618 extension, it should not show significant retracement. That is minor extension target, and usually if market really intends continue move up, it very rare shows the deep retracement. Usually it shows 3.8 or as maximum 618 from the most recent swing. Not from the all swing, but just from the most recent leg. That where we should be focused on during today and maybe tomorrow trading session. If market will fail stop here and hold above them, continue move down, then it really could suggest that probably downward action could be really more dramatic than it seems now. So if market will still accelerates, it will be not just a retracement, it really could be the downward continuation right to the area on the weekly time frame that stands around 118 is if I did not miss something. Well, that's why currently our major attention should be focused on the retracement here and estimating of the levels where it should stop to watch, what levels to watch for, as we for the purpose that we would understand whether it's just a retracement or something more, or market really has no intention anymore to continue move up, and probably market now shows the reversal according to the weekly pattern. That's the major question that we have to answer currently. Still, in the short-term perspective for the today trading session, I do not see a lot of bullish signs. I do not want to enter long currently because market has shown the wash and rinse. Market stands very close to the resistance daily we bought, and from that standpoint it's more reasonable and probably more probable that market will continue move down and will show some deeper move to the downside. Now let's take a look at the intraday charts. On the 4-hour time frame, we see the trend has turned bearish. Here is the pattern that I have talked about. So you can see that was the previous highs. That's just a perfect example of the Russian range market. Jumped up, grabbing the stops that has been placed right above this high, returns right back. That's the Russian range, how it usually looks. Well, if we will measure the target of this pattern, usually the minimum target equals to the length of the bars. We count it to the downside, you'll get the target around 50%, between 50% and the confidence support that stands around 131.25 area. That's the minimum destination of the current retracement, I suppose. If market will fail hold there and continue move down, that will increase chances of downward continuation, because this will be too extended retracement for market that just hit only the 618 extension of the ABCD pattern. It's too minor extension to show such significant retracement. Well, on the hourly time frame, in fact, I did not see anything more that could shed more light on the current situation. I have just marked the levels that you could watch for the potential scalp short entries: 131.80 area, 3.8 resistance, or 132.06 area. So that's this level or that level probably could be used for attempt to taking the short position with some A, B, C, D pattern to the downside. That could lead to the 131, 131.20 area. That in fact is 50% level. You know that your currency likes 50% levels, and confluence support. So that's our target for current trading session. Market probably should reach it. What will be after that? Well, it will be quite significant, but probably we'll see it on tomorrow. Do not try to catch now the big move right from these levels, because before we could say that probably market really reestablished the weekly and monthly bearish trend. We have to see first how market will respond and behave in this area, because if market will hold there and continue to move up, in this case we could speak about this ABCD pattern to the downside, right to the 134 area. That also is possible here, and that's why it's retracement down and how market will respect around 131 area is particularly important for short-term perspective.